Hi everyone, Asang Filipina. Hi everyone, Asang Filipina. Welcome back. So today I have this tuna polish. So it's French tuna polish today. Okay, so I have here with me the flip-flops. I shopped the other day and then I'm gonna just show you what I have here. And then we can do dumpling video. I know you want. It's getting dark here, so that's why it's dark. Okay, next I have this one. It's mint green. Mint green. Really? Mint green? So I'm gonna cut this one using this. No, gonna use nail cutter to remove the tag. Okay, I'm gonna try on. It's really hot today, very hot. Relaxing. Okay, next I'm gonna try on this one. This is yeah, I don't know the color, but for me I just call it green. So this is green. But I like the fitting. I like the size. Size is really fit. Like real size. Sige, be. Oh, manam ka kadi tanan. Oh, sige, ugma na pod. So, this is the color. I'm gonna walk for this flip-flops later. Ugma na lang kung mubayad. Yan ko bayad. I have a worker in the house. Then I have to pay her 350 to 500 350 to 600 a day, including like overtime, and yeah, that's in the Filipino salary. But she earned more because she's a free breakfast, free lunch, free dinner. So I spend about, because I eat good food here, like 1K a day. So she earned 1K a day. So she's going home now, and it's okay. This is really good, this one. I'm gonna show you after this. Okay, next I'm gonna try on this pink slide. It's my lazy day. Lazy day. It's warm and really warm because I blacked out last night, but I'm glad I have the solar. Okay, I'm gonna do walking video wearing these flip-flops. again next vlog.